Hi, I'm going to show you how to make a thick smoothie bowl with the Ninja Blender. It's a delicious acai bowl. I'll show you how right now. Hi, I'm Joann and I'm a certified raw vegan chef, and if you're looking for tips for better health, you're in the right place. So please subscribe and ring the bell like Artie. I have to admit, I'm a little intimidated by the VITAMIX tamper, so Kenny usually makes our smoothie bowls and ice cream. So I will make this delicious acai bowl recipe with the Ninja Foodi Power Blender instead. Let's get started right now. See the full recipe in the description below. You can find frozen pureed acai berries in the frozen fruit section of most grocery stores and health food stores. For toppings, we have goji berries, bananas, blackberries, blueberries, strawberries, and sprouted buckwheat. We're using almond milk. We have 3 frozen bananas with frozen berries and cherries as the base. Add in the acai puree. Let it thaw a minute or 2 before using. It is considered a superfood and helps with detoxification, arthritis, weight loss, and skin. Add in about 2/3 cup almond milk. We want this to be extra thick, so don't add more than a cup. If you want protein powder, we recommend a raw vegan powder such as Garden of Life or Sun Warrior. Ninja recommends adding powders last. If you're getting value from this video, please hit the like button now. It'll sure help us out. Lock the lid. Turn the power on. Rotate the dial to bowl and press start. This begins a 40-second blend. It starts with about 18 seconds of pulsing. Then about 22 seconds of constant blending. If you added powder, you'll definitely need to scrape the sides. Honestly, I think it would work better to put the liquids and powders in first and give them a quick pulse or 2 to mix them. Okay, let's try another round of the same. What is your favorite smoothie bowl flavor? Let us know in the comments below. 3rd time's a charm. The 3rd round is usually not necessary if you omit the powders. Look how nice and thick the mixture is. And such a pretty purple. Use your spatula to smooth it out into a bowl. It'll need to be flattered to make room for the toppings. Don't forget to download our free 5-day meal plan in the description below. Watch this video for more smoothie bowl recipes. Isn't that gorgeous? And it tastes as delicious as it looks. So the Ninja Foodi Blender does a great job with smoothie bowls too. Watch these videos next. Please like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.